Hello, this is Eli Buendia. Join me as we go to the E-Heads rehearsals.
Pero super big fans, that's why. Musta?
Kain, sir.
Sige lang.
I think I'm the good. Look how
Feeling ko naman siguro ito. Oo, yan nga. Feeling ko naman ito.
Yung sinasabi ko eh.
The first half of the rehearsals went really well. I'm pretty sure that the fans who will watch the show will enjoy this set list. Overall, it's going to be a great show. I think even better than the previous tour.
and as we have additional shows,